DIY goes into accessorizing too. So why buy a lamp when you can make one out of old vases? Old vases, old liquor bottles, you can do this yourself. So you're gonna go to the hardware store, you're gonna buy a kit.
A light kit?
A light kit, a lamp kit. Make sure you get the wattage that it calls out on that kit for your bulb. Number one.
Well, number one, yeah, match that.
Match it, okay? You take any vase, okay? Color, size, shape, whatever.
Doesn't matter.
And you're gonna go ahead and drill through the bottom. Carefully, slowly through.
Gotcha.
Now, we built this one up with just like little furniture pads.
Yeah.
So you build it up so the cord clears.
So it has a base, and the cord can clear.
And you come up and you thread through, okay? You're gonna have 2 cords. So you're gonna thread it through. You're gonna take a washer, okay? Now you gotta get the right size washer. See how this one fits right over? You gotta get one. So if you need a bigger one for a bigger opening, that's what you got.
They sell washers in these little bins.
Yes.
And
looks like jewelry.
Yeah, it really does. And you just literally, you can bring the vase or the bottle with you and just walk down the aisle. You're like, oh, that one fits.
Right, and always do that. Bring it with you. Then you're gonna secure it on with a bolt, and that'll take me an hour. So secure it on. Okay, the bolt goes in, and then you get to play electrician without electrocuting yourself. So you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna put this on. This piece here, I just wanna show the detail on this. This is where you connect your wires. So you're gonna unscrew the screws.
Right.
Right? And each wire gets to sit right in there with the screw, and then you screw it in. So yeah, it's like, you could tag team with this.
When you are not plugged into the wall.
Yeah, remember that. Remember that. Either way, with a steady hand, you push that in, and then your wires are connected, 1 and 2, right?
Boom.
Then your light bulb goes in, this
and
goes
you put
on.
the harp
and again,
on.
have fun with your shade.
Thing's called a harp.
Yes, and then have fun with the shade, because look at this. Now you got this, now you got this.
So cute.
And it's a really fun DIY.